My kids used to say, Mom, why are you so happy all the time? And my first husband used to say, why do you have to make everything so much fun? I was like, well, I could change that. I don't know, why not? My name is Gretchen Bauer. I am a mother of three first and foremost, and I am passionate about BSWANKY. We make bags that are different.
It flips over, comes to right there, but goes all the way to the corner.
I want to be a trailblazer and make things that no one else makes.
Gretchen has a pace which is beyond normal. She's never stopping.
I don't know where she gets her energy from because we've only had one cup of coffee.
You can always see me running up and down the stairs in my high heels.
Absolutely.
She looks amazing.
Yeah,
you look
I think that's
amazing.
great.
However, I will always be holding the railing. This is perfect with that. I'm going to switch something out. Because of the way I love fashion and I dress and wear high heels, I'm often seen as someone that won't roll their sleeves up and get their hands dirty. And I'm actually the opposite. But I do love fashion, so every day for me it's an adventure to get dressed.
This is not what a normal woman wears.
It's not for the faint of heart. She's not afraid.
I also come across as a strong personality. You tell me you can't feel the difference in that?
Okay, haven't we done enough of this pose?
But I want to get rid of that buckle. So how about a half-inch up, please? Please? I have been married twice, and now I've entered into the crazy cyber dating world. It's a world of dating where it's messaging, and I say, pick up the phone, talk to me, ask me on a date, let's meet face to face. And I do not accept mistreatment anymore, and that's something in the past. My daughter is Grace.
Hey, Gracie?
Yeah?
Are you packed?
Yeah.
For real?
I'd like Grace to learn to be confident. Grace, you've got to say goodbye, remember? To take risks, to let go of fear, and also to not be mistreated.
Nice to meet you.
I created BSWANKY because there are women out there, in my opinion, that were invisible. And seeing these immigrant women now and how hard they work, and they do it with a smile on their face, I've never walked a day in their shoes, and now I've taken the blinders off. We have lost our why in America. We have to go back to where we're making it here, and not just making it, handcrafting it. And I want to become a company where we're exporting our incredible products. I've heard my entire life that I'm different. I want to be the company that inspires other companies to be better. No one ever made a difference by being like everyone else. And that embodies what BSWANKY's all about. Oh, we're going to push the boundaries. The sky's the limit. This is a hairdo. I've not changed how I do my hair since I think 1985.